Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a sweet made with sorghum and green gram. Sorghum is jonnalu in Telugu, green gram is pesalu. So all you need to take is elaichi, a little bit of elaichi, like 4 to 5 elaichi. Then dry fruits, whichever dry fruits you want to take. And then this is rice flour that I've poured a little water in it. And this is coconut, grated coconut. You can take a raw one or a dry one, any one. And this is jaggery. I have grated it. And then this one is milk. Milk is also very essential in this. And this is sorghum, which is the main ingredient, that is jonnalu. And then this is pesalu, the green gram. What you have to do is take sorghum and green gram together and soak it overnight. And the next day morning you have to grind these two together a little bit, not like a paste. You have to put the kadai on the stove, turn on the flame and put a little ghee in the kadai and then let it melt. After the ghee is melted, add these dry fruits and everything that you have taken, whichever you want to take, you can take. So add these dry fruits in the ghee and then fry them a little. Keep all the dry fruits aside, and now in the same kadai, in the same ghee, add the sorghum and green gram paste and then fry them a little till like 1 or 2 minutes. Add a little bit of water to it because it becomes so hard that you won't be able to mix it properly. So if you add water a little, it'll be easier for us to mix it. Like you can use anything to mix it properly with the water. Like I have used this. You can mix it as you wish. Since everything got mixed properly, now I'll be adding elaichi, dry fruits, and coconut. At this point we have to add the rice flour that I have mixed a little water in it and kept. We have to add that to it and mix it properly. Okay, I have mixed everything. Now I am adding jaggery, the grated jaggery, into this. Okay, now that I have mixed jaggery also into it, now the main important thing which enhances the taste is milk. I'm adding milk into it. Now mix milk also thoroughly. Yay, that's it. And the sweet is ready. You can make this anytime you want, but you just have to soak everything before night and then make this. Okay, that's all for today. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share, and do follow Ideas My Style for more videos. Bye.